teachers, mentors, family, and friends throughout this journey. Each of us has traveled a unique path to reach this milestone, overcoming challenges, seizing opportunities, and embracing growth alone. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, let us take a moment to reflect on the lessons learned, the friendship forged, and the memories cherished during our time here. As we prepare to embark on the next phase of our journey, let us carry with us the knowledge, skills, and values instilled in us by our education. Let us embrace the future with optimism, courage, and a commitment to excellence, knowing that the world awaits our contribution and that we are equipped to make a difference. To my fellow graduates, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. May your dreams be bold, your endeavors fruitful, and your impact profound. And to all who have supported us along the way, we extend our deepest gratitude. Today, as we bid farewell on the next phase of our journey and step into the boundless possibility of the future, let us do so with heads held high, hearts full of hope, and the determination to make our mark on the world. In behalf of Class 2024, welcome to our 79 closing exercises. Congratulations, Class of 2024.